Hello! Welcome to the Drawing Lessons channel. Today, we will be drawing
Fuli.
Fuli from the Lion Guard cartoon.
Give us more likes so that many viewers watch this video.
To draw, we will need drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. Let's take a pencil and draw a circle. This will be Fuli's head. You're almost there. Let's correct your circle a bit. Now, on our circle, we'll draw lines that will form her head and facial features. Here in the center will be her nose. Let me help you with that. Let's draw her eyes. She has beautiful green eyes, right?
Yes.
Well done! You're doing a great job drawing. Now, inside the eyes, we need to draw the pupils. And now, let's draw highlights. We've drawn the eyes. Now, let's draw the eyebrows. Now, let's draw her smile. Now, let's draw her chin. You're doing well, but let me make a few corrections. Well done! You see, Fuli's head is almost ready. We just need to draw her ears now.
Дивись, в
Now,
тебе
we
ось
need to
тут
finish
є
drawing her mouth and add
обличчя,
another
так?
ear.
Mom, my drawing already looks like Fuli.
Yes, mine too. Now, let's draw her body. She has long legs, and she runs very fast.
Yes, she's very pretty.
Let's draw her neck. Now, let's start drawing the cheetah's body. Let's draw the front legs. Now, let's draw the second leg. It's time to draw Fuli's belly. We've drawn her belly. We've drawn her back. We can now draw the hind legs of the cheetah. Let's make a few corrections to the drawing. Well done! Now, let's draw the second leg. We forgot to draw something. What did we miss?
Tail.
Now, let's add her coloring. Friends, if you couldn't draw Fuli on your first try, watch this video again, and you'll definitely succeed. Let's put aside the pencils. Let's take a black marker to outline our drawing. Now, let's put aside the markers. Let's take an eraser to remove all the extra lines. Now, let's put aside the eraser and take colored markers to color our drawing.
Subscribe to our channel and give us likes.
To not miss new drawing lessons.
So, Mom, shall we show how it turned out?
Let's go!